everyone, let me introduce myself. We Group 1 will be presenting our project in Phase 1, Initiation and Planning of the Computer Organization and Architectures course. In this phase, we conduct the initial planning stage of the project, starting with identifying partner, conducting literature review, field exploration, and preparing the concept for the learning video. The purpose of this phase is to understand learning needs and design the learning media concept that will be used. Next, we will explain the steps we took in phase 1. Before we get into the presentation material, let me introduce our team members. Our team consists of several members, me, Rizky Aulia Karoma, my colleague, Inyoman Devayana, and Elja Ramadhani.
And this slide, background, computers are essential to modern life, but many users only know how to operate them without understanding how they work. In computer organization and architecture course, it's important to understand how data process from input to output. For this reason, an animated videos create how computer work to make the material more visual, interesting, and easy for high school or vocational school students to understand. Honor profile, school name State Vocational School 5 Bandar Lampung. Principal Ifrem Aziz, address Jalan Pangeran Tirtayasa No 88 Sukabumi, Bandar Lampung. Major Creative Wood and Rattan Craft, Creative Metal and Jewelry Craft, and Creative Batik and Textile Craft. And Visual Communication Design and Animation and Light Vehicle Engineering and Less Motorcycle Engineering. This school was chosen because it needed more interactive and interesting learning media, especially to help students understand basic computer material more easily. In this slide, documentation exploration.
During the literature review phase, we gathered various references related to the computer organization and architecture topic. These references came from educational videos on YouTube, scientific journals and articles, learning modules, and educational websites like Geeks for Geeks. The purpose of this literature review was to gain a strong theoretical foundation and understanding so that the material presented in the project would be accurate, clear, and easily understood by students.
Needs analysis. Technical requirements. 1. Laptop or PC for video creation. 2. Animation application, Canva, Python, etc. 3. Video editing application. 4. Microphone for recording narration. 5. Orcom reference materials. 6. Internet connection. Audience needs. 1. Simple and easy to understand explanation. 2. Step-by-step visualization of computer processing. 3. Low technical language. 4. A creative and interactive animation display. Next, division of team text. Inyoman Devayana, responsible for documentation of activities including posts, screenshot, and documentation of the video making process. Rizky Aulia Karoma, responsible for video and animation editing, including combining animation, narration, voice, and beautifying the open range of the video to make it creative and easy to understand. Elja Rahmadani, responsible of compiling materials and content sources, collecting reference from books, modules, website, YouTube, and journals for video creator. Next, project work timeline. Week 1 to 3. Determine project title and theme. Week 4 to 5. Initiation and planning background. Partner profile. Documentation, literature review, needs analysis, text assessment, timeline. Week 6 to 7. System design. Pre-production, information flow, reference, script, or storyboard, UI UX design tool. Week 9 to 11, video development, production, documentation, and video production. Week 12 to 13, post-production, editing video. Week 14 to 16, completion and presentation project results, documentation to readiness, collection, reference.
Based on phase 1 initiation and planning, our team has completed several initial steps, including partner identification, literature review, field exploration, and developing concept and scenarios for learning videos for the computer organization and architecture course. These steps serve first as a crucial foundation before moving on to the process of creating or producing learning media. This concludes our group presentation. We hope this explanation provides an overview of our project planning process. Thank you for attention.